Some mighty herd of red like cows and soul flying through the ragged sky and up a cloudy draw. The branch was still on fire and the boots were made of steel. The horns were black and shiny and the hot breath he could feel. Up all the fear went through him as they thundered through the sky, and he saw the riders coming hard, and he heard them all cry, Yippee-yi-yo, yippee-yi-yi. Ghost riders in the sky. The eyes were blurred, the shirts all soaked with sweat. He's riding hard to catch the herd, but he ain't caught him yet. Cause they got to ride forever on that range up in the sky. All the horses snore on fire as the ride don't hear the cries. As the riders moved on by him, he heard